Welcome to Professor Dr. Grace's graphic class. Please watch the ad until the end so you can receive better content. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Glyphs panel. If you look at your keyboard, you will see various special characters like $, %, and so on. However, the keyboard does not have enough space to contain more special characters than these. What if we need special characters that are not visible on the keyboard, such as the copyright mark or the registration mark? The answer is to use the Glyphs panel. The Glyphs panel provides a number of special characters and glyphs that aren't visible on the keyboard. Now, let's open the Glyphs panel to add special characters and glyphs to this stationery design. Select the Type tool and click the Artboard to insert the cursor. Type Michael Bike and highlight Michael Bike. In the control panel, select font as Myriad Pro, font style as semi-bold italic, and font size as 24 point. Click the end of Michael Bike to insert the cursor. Select the Type Glyphs menu. Drag the lower right corner of the Glyphs panel to increase the size of the panel. Click the Zoom In icon a few times to enlarge the text view. Move the scroll bar in the Glyphs panel to see the different kinds of special characters that the currently selected font offers. Double-click the copyright mark to add a special character to the artboard. Hold down Ctrl and click on the artboard to release the selection. Click on the artboard to insert the mouse cursor and press Delete to delete the auto-generated text. Click the font name in the lower left of the Glyphs panel. Type W and press Enter to change the font to Webthings. Webthings font provides a variety of glyphs. Move the scroll bar to see the glyphs. If you need a glyph here when you are designing, you can simply use the glyph without having to draw it yourself. Double-click on the motorcycle pictogram. Then, double-click on the world map to add two glyphs to the artboard. Click the font name in the lower left of the Glyphs panel, and then press the down arrow twice to change the font to Windings. Windings provides different styles of special characters, glyphs, bullets, arrows, etc. from Webthings. Click the font name in the lower left of the Glyphs panel again, and then press the down arrow to change the font to Windings 2. Windings 2 also offers different styles of special characters, glyphs, bullets, and more. Click the font name in the lower left of the Glyphs panel, and then press the down arrow to change the font to Windings 3. Windings 3 offers a variety of arrows. In the upper right corner of the Glyphs panel, click X to close the panel. Select the Zoom tool, and then zoom in the special character and the glyphs I just added. Highlight only the copyright mark at the end of Michael Bike. Press Ctrl-Shift less than several times to reduce the size. Hold down Alt-Shift and press the up arrow a few times to move the baseline up. Press Ctrl-0 to fit the artboard to the window size. Select the Selection tool and select Michael Bike. Move it to the top of the artboard. In the Control panel, select Align to Artboard and click Horizontal Align Center to move it horizontally. Right-click and select Create Outlines, or press the shortcut key Shift-Ctrl-O to convert the text to paths. After selecting the glyphs added to the artboard, press Ctrl-Shift less than or Ctrl-Shift greater than several times to reduce or enlarge the size. It looks like an illustration, but because it is a text, you will see that the shortcut keys for resizing fonts work the same. In the swatches panel, select the gold color. With the glyphs selected, right-click and select Create Outlines, or press the shortcut key Shift-Ctrl-O to convert the glyphs to paths. Glyphs converted to paths are efficient because you can modify the shape at any time using the Direct Selection tool. Right-click again and select Ungroup. Select the bike object. Hold down Shift and drag the bounding box corner to resize it. Move it over Michael Bike. In the Control panel, click Horizontal Align Center to move it horizontally. Select the world map. Hold down Shift and drag the bounding box corner to increase its size. In the Transparency panel, type opacity 10% and press Enter. Select the transparent world map, then hold down Alt and drag it to the artboard on the right to copy it. Hold down Shift and select the two world maps together. Press Ctrl 2 to lock them. Select the logo and press Ctrl G to group it. Press Ctrl C to copy. Press Alt Ctrl 0 to fit all artboards to the window. Select Edit, Paste on all artboards, or press the shortcut key Alt Shift Ctrl V to paste into all artboards. Select each of the pasted logos to reposition them, and if necessary, hold down Shift and resize the logo. Select the Line Segment tool. Hold down Shift and draw a horizontal line. Click the stroke color icon to bring it front. Then select the desired color from the swatches panel. In the strokes panel, select weight 0.5 point. Hold down Alt Shift and drag down the horizontal line to copy. Now, let's copy the line repeatedly, keeping the same space. Press Ctrl D several times to repeat the command to copy the horizontal line. Here, D means the initial of duplicate, to duplicate whatever command you just executed. As you see now, press Ctrl D copies a horizontal line keeping the same space. Select some of the lines, hold down Alt Shift, and drag the horizontal lines to the right artboard to copy them. Here are some things to keep in mind when using the Glyphs panel. First, before or after opening the Glyphs panel, select the Type tool and click on the artboard to insert the mouse cursor. Second, you should not click once the desired special characters or glyphs in the Glyphs panel, but must double-click to add the selected special characters or glyphs to the artboard. So far, I've showed you how to create logo and stationeries using the Glyphs panel. Please try to use the Glyphs panel to make your own design. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching Professor Dr. Grace's Illustrator lecture. Please watch the next video in order to follow all the courses without skipping a lesson. To keep learning and master Illustrator, Please press the subscribe and the like buttons.